Pranams to all viewers. I am Dr. Rajeshri, branch physician, the Arivaidya Pharmacy Coimbatore Limited, Thrissur, Kerala. This is the very crucial pandemic situation we are passing over. Only thing we can do to overcome this is self-care. Ayurveda has mentioned immense ways to stay healthy. One among them is Ritucharya. It means tuning our body according to the climatic conditions through proper diet and regimens. We all know that basically there are 6 Ritus. Shishira the winter, Vasanta the spring, Grishma the summer, Varsha the monsoon, Sharad the autumn, and the Hemanta pre-winter season. Each Ritu contains 2 months. The first 3, Shishira, Vasanta and Grishma, are called as Uttarayana or the Adana Kala. This is under the control of sun. The meaning of Adana means to extract. Adana Kala means the sun will extract the energy and all the living beings got fatigued. The last Ritu in Uttarayana is Grishma Ritu, that is the summer season. The second 3 Ritus are called as the Visarga Kala or Dakshinayana, and which is under the control of moon. Moon will eliminate energy to the living beings. And the first Ritu in Dakshinayana is Varsha Ritu, the monsoon season. Kerala is a place where we can experience all the Ritus in an optimum way. In Malayalam calendar, next comes the Karkidaka. This month is very suitable for all Ayurveda treatments. It's the monsoon season in Kerala. Actually, due to the hot climate of summer, body will be so tired while entering into the monsoon season. At that time, we have to adopt some diet restrictions and lifestyle changes to overcome climatic conditions. The digestive power will be very less and all the 3 doshas of our body get in an imbalanced state. So, we have to follow some moderate lifestyle. First of all, I will tell you about the diet pattern we have to follow in the season. We have to take very light food because the digestion process will be so slow. We have to include Vata Shamana Dravyas like methi, green gram, horse gram, etc. in food. Hot soups are very good in this season. Drinking water should be boiled well before taking and can put dry ginger, jeera, coriander, etc. while boiling to increase digestion. Hot water is very good to prevent the infections of throat also. Use of some arishtas are advised in this season to increase digestion. Medicines like Panchakola Churna also will increase digestion and good to improve immunity. Usually in Kerala, all people will take pattila curry or pattila thoran. It is a soup or dish made up of 10 leaves. It's done because in this season, potency of leaves the potency of plants will be accumulated in the leaves. So it is used. The drumstick leaves are not used in this season because it acquires some poisonous effect. It may cause some bowel irritations in many people. Karkidaka Kanni is a rice gruel mixed with many herbal ingredients which is very popular in Kerala and it's taken in this time by all Keralites. It's a very good dietary preparation to get proper digestion and to improve immunity and to get body strength in this Varsha Ritu. It contains Navara rice, wheat flakes, methi, jeera, dry ginger, dashamula, etc. which is available in all AVP outlets. Next comes the viharas or the regimens. Avoid use of river water at this time because it will be in a polluted state. Fumigation of clothes and the surroundings are told in this season with medicated herbs, which will help in reducing the harmful atmospheric microbial level. Daytime sleep is restricted in this season and which will lead to kapha kopa. Vigorous exercises are not allowed in this season since the energy level will be very less in Varsha Ritu. Walking with barefoot is restricted, which will lead to some kind of infections and infestations. Even it's the transition period from summer to the monsoon. All the living beings get rejuvenated slowly. This time is very good for Ayurveda Chikitsa. Purvakarmas like Abhyanga, Kiri, Pirichil, and cleansing procedures like Panchakarmas are, if done in this season, will rejuvenate us for the next 1 year. Doing these therapies yearly will help to improve immunity and slow down the aging process too. Lots of people from outside Kerala usually visit here in this season for Karkidaga Chikitsa in every year. Unfortunately, it's not possible this year because of this pandemic outbreak. So, all of us should live a healthy life, as our Acharyas said in Ayurveda. Prevent and heal through Ayurveda and get rejuvenated. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.